how to change the execution logic to V0 or the legacy. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change the execution logic of any particular workflow to legacy. So for that, simply follow these steps. The first thing that you will need to do is simply launch your n8n instance. And after launching your n8n instance, go to that particular workflow of which logic you want to change. Now, once you are inside the workflow, click onto these three dots and from here choose settings. Now under settings, you will see the execution logic. It is currently set to V1, which is recommended. But for some reason, if you wish to use the legacy, which executes the first node of each branch, then the second nodes of each branch and so on, then you can simply choose to VO legacy and then click onto save button, and now your execution logic will be successfully set to legacy. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.